Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 5th grade concept of representing equations for multi-step problems. This is standard 5.4b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 31 of the 2018 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Mr. Fernandez packed 31 red apples, 41 green apples into a box for a customer. He packed 8 boxes like this. Mr. Fernandez used this equation to find x, the number of apples he packed into all the boxes. How many apples did he pack into the boxes? So let's draw 8 boxes. Let's see if we can just do a picture here. I'll also draw a strip diagram, but sometimes if you could draw a picture, that's fantastic. So here are our 8 boxes. And what we know is we've got in each box 31 red, 41 green. So I'm just going to do this 31. And the question is only just apples. It doesn't really make a difference whether they're red or green. Apples are apples. So I'm just going to combine them. So in each of these boxes, I've got 31 red, 41 green, which I guess, let me see, what is 31 and 41? That's pretty easy to do. Mental math. That is going to be 72. No regrouping needed. Thank you very much. So 31 and 41, and there's 8 boxes. So I just need to take that 72 and probably just add it either 8 times or multiply it by 8. So what does that look like here in a strip diagram? Well, my x, that's going to be my total. That's what I'm looking for. So here in my strip diagram, I guess I can put my 8 boxes down here. So I'm going to take half. Half of my half, that's fourths. Half of my fourths, that's 8. And then I'll do this, I'm not going to rewrite all those, but that 31 plus 41 into each of those boxes. That's another way to kind of put those together. So here's my question. How do I use what I know about this problem to solve this equation? Because I understand the 31 plus 41. So let me just rewrite this as 31 plus 41. So 31 plus 41, we know in our order of operations, right? We do our please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Always start with your parentheses first. No matter what's inside the parentheses, that comes first. So 31 plus 41, that's going to make 72. I'll keep it inside the parentheses because here's my big question. What in the world is going on right there? I see 72 parentheses 8. Here's my problem. There's no operation. There's no addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, exponents. What are we doing with that? And this is one of the things we learn in 5th grade, that for whatever reason, as you move on and on in school, there is one operation that is used so much. Apparently they just got tired of writing it and they just assume it, and that is multiplication. Whenever you see a number outside of a parentheses or a number next to a letter, like you might see 8J, and there's no operation shown, it is always going to be multiply. Sometimes it is just not represented. So really this 72 parentheses 8 is 72 times 8. And it doesn't matter if that 8 is on the front end or the back end. It could be x equals 8 parentheses 72. That's another way to say it. So what is 72 times 8? Well, let's just do that real quick. 16, 56, 57, so 576. That makes sense. B is kind of close. C is, we're just adding all 3 numbers, and D is just crazy. So our answer is A.